Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today's episode is packed with big news as we explore the latest details on the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, including its newly confirmed release window and the next-level features you can expect. After months of speculation, it's now official. DJI has announced the Mini 5 Pro is arriving this September. While early leaks from trusted names like Drone XL's Jasper Ellens hinted at this timeline, it's now been backed up by an official post from Hakashuki, one of the most reliable sources in the drone community. The Mini 4 Pro has had a solid run, but with nearly 2 years under its belt, it's time for something new. And by all early impressions, the Mini 5 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a major evolution. Revamped design with professional power, at first glance, the overall silhouette of the Mini 5 Pro might seem familiar, but a closer look reveals a drone that's been seriously refined. A larger camera module has been seen in test units circulating in China, and the big rumor, courtesy of Hakashuki, is that it's equipped with a 1-inch image sensor. If that turns out to be true, this will bring pro-level image quality to a compact drone. The increased sensor size means better low-light performance, sharper visuals, and much more detail in your footage. For anyone who shoots in 4K, this could be a game changer. Stronger motors and game-changing LiDAR tech. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just about visuals. It also promises upgraded motors and extended arms, allowing for more stable flight and higher efficiency. DJI is clearly working to enhance flight dynamics, and this drone looks built to perform. But the real breakthrough? LiDAR technology. This marks a serious step forward in obstacle detection and subject tracking. With LiDAR, the drone can detect its surroundings with incredible precision, making it safer and smarter, especially in complex environments. Whether you're filming fast action or navigating tricky terrain, this feature gives pilots more confidence and control. Will it still weigh under 250 g? One of the most talked about aspects is whether DJI can keep the Mini 5 Pro under the magic 250-gram threshold. This weight limit is crucial, as it often determines whether a drone needs registration or additional regulation in many countries. With the Mini 5 Pro packing so many new features, it's unclear if it will stay that lightweight. But given DJI's history of clever engineering, many believe they'll find a way to keep it just within that limit, or offer a lightweight version. Introducing OcuSync 4 Plus and massive battery. Life. Another impressive addition is OcuSync 4 Plus, DJI's latest and most powerful transmission tech. With a range of up to 30 kilometers, the Mini 5 Pro will give drone pilots extended control and confidence for long-distance flights. And let's not forget about battery life. Reports suggest up to 50 minutes of flight time, an enormous leap forward that lets creators capture more footage in fewer sessions. That's especially useful for professionals and enthusiasts who want to make the most out of every charge. Next-gen RC Pro 2 controller compatibility. To top it all off, the Mini 5 Pro is said to be compatible with the upcoming RC Pro 2 controller. This new remote is expected to offer faster response times, better ergonomics, and seamless pairing with DJI's newest models, including the Mini 5 Pro and the anticipated Mavic 4 Pro. Final thoughts. Is it worth the upgrade? So, should you make the jump to the DJI Mini 5 Pro? If you've been holding out for better image quality, smarter navigation, and longer flight times, this drone might just check every box. From what we've seen and heard so far, the Mini 5 Pro could easily be the most exciting compact drone of the year. Are you planning to upgrade once it launches? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what features matter most to you. And if you want to stay informed with the latest in drone innovation and tech advancements, make sure to subscribe to Technology in the Future and hit the bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.